Now we will try to add a few more components to our assembly, especially those arms. Also, first we will try to connect these arms to define movement, upper and lower arm, so they move together. We will use cylindrical joint. And now when we move one arm, this lower arm also moves. We'll do the same with these two arms on the right side. As you see, they don't move together, those arms from the right side. So go to joints, select center of the circle, cylindrical is already selected, cylindrical joint, and click OK. Now they move together. So we will now create some element to connect these two arms on left and one element to connect arms on right side, but we will edit this dimension to 11 instead of 10. Now we have larger hole, and we will remove this joint symbol. Now we will create new component. Component to connect these two arms. That will be some cylindrical part, 10 millimeters diameter, so it can go to this hole that we created. We isolate this element, extrude, give some dimension that we can edit later, unhide all elements, and now we will create joint. Select this point and center of this hole, but on the opposite side, rigid, this will be rigid joint, and click OK. So since we already created one, we will just duplicate with the joint this component to here, and we will have the same joint as previous. In this case, this is what we need. This is how it looks. So it looks okay. This is longer than we want, so let's make it 195. Let's check. This seems okay. Now we will copy this component, Control C, and paste, or Control V. Okay, and we will apply joint. Center of that hole goes to center of that hole. This will be cylindrical joint, so it can move along this axis. I guess we should limit this. Let's say that be 0. Let's Try 100, 110 maybe. Let's see. It's too much. 108, I guess. Yes, that seems okay. Preview limit and it looks okay. We can also apply joint, duplicate with joint. We don't want to capture this position. Move back arms as they were earlier. So select this component and joint to this. So now we have the same joint as this first arm on our left side, and it moves okay. Let's save design.